Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's salad recipe, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to make a vegan, protein-packed lentil salad. It's going to be perfectly tangy, and the longer it sits in the fridge, the better tasting it gets. So if you like salad recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So this recipe is super easy and it comes together really fast. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is boil your lentils. These are green lentils that kind of look brown, but you can use green or brown, whatever you have. And you wanna just cook them to the perfect consistency. They're not mushy, they still are hard and easy to eat, and that's the main part. You don't want them to be mushy and overcooked. You still want them to hold its shape. So I cook this in vegetable broth. After the broth came to a boil, and then you just add all the beans and then a bay leaf, and that's it. And I use veggie broth just to give it a little extra flavor. And then you just drain it and add it to your salad. And so what I have for my salad is some cilantro, bell pepper, celery, carrots, and red onion. And that's it. So what I'm gonna do now is just add my beans to this. They're still slightly warm. This really gets better and better as you kind of let it marinate overnight. So definitely a really, really good item to take to work because you can have it cold. It's actually, you want to have this cold. Yeah, so this is a perfect meal prep dish, and it's packed with protein and it's completely vegan. So smells so good. I love cilantro. You can leave it out or add parsley instead. A lot of people don't like cilantro, but I love it and I always have a ton in the fridge. So this looks good. Now what I'm gonna do is add just a few seasoning ingredients. So I've got some olive oil here that I'm gonna add. Very little, not very much. Some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Gives it a really, really fresh taste, and it's delicious with the olive oil. And then I've got a clove of minced garlic that I'm gonna add as well. And then just some freshly grated salt. Not very much. And then some black pepper. Really up to your taste preference, but I love black pepper, so I add a lot. And then give it a good mix. All right, that looks perfect. So I've played around with this recipe a lot and added cucumbers, tomatoes, basically just have the few key ingredients, which is the lentil and the dressing, and you can add anything really to this and it'll taste delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and serve myself up some. Yum. And you can just see, look at the shape of the lentils and you know that it's perfectly cooked. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. The lemon juice, olive oil, salt, such easy ingredients for the dressing, but it's just so flavorful and fresh and perfect on a hot summer day. So definitely recommend you guys try this one out. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe if you like this recipe and want to keep seeing more salad recipes. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.